But they send me to pull out the fan. I tell them I going home, I didn't come back.
It's real sad, it's real sad. You don't sleep because when we hear the tractor noise in the backyard today and the wife gave me a call, I was on the road. My heart jumped, boy. She said tree falling down. I mean, I just feel like you lost everything. Lost everything. You have a matter going on, nobody here want to give you a hearing, but them say you should wait. You should wait until the 18th. But why them shouldn't wait until the 18th to try to satisfy people? Though you don't have to satisfy us, but at least make me feel good. And go down to point 14. But you're depriving point 14 people and you're just saying, Koblal Singh group blocking highway, rerouters blocking highway. This is the general statement that fooling people here. We're not blocking no highway. You see what we're blocking? Can't you see what we're blocking? When all you do come in my piece there now, watch out, I have fig trees, ma'am. Why does plant fig and sell, planting and sell to survive? Am I 64 and change? Who employed me? I never had a permanent job. I depend on all these things to work and mind my family. Hustle, they work. I'm the hustler. You know how that's feel? And you have so much open land, let me say what not have you. But wait until this disputed area complete. Yeah? I mean, it's only sense. You're depriving point people. You have point people waiting and saying that we blocking the highway here. Where is not true? I mean, I know you're a worker and you probably have a little soft heart in you. Whereas the cops and them, like them, have none too, but they had to show it that they don't have none. They have a job to do. What happened yesterday? They come and they rough up this man. They went and they arrested him.
Yesterday.
It's so sad to know just for that. We just want understanding. Nobody don't want to understand the right situation. Nobody. It's not that we play Bajon and bully, you know, brother. We are not. You don't see me with a cutlass. You don't see me with no piece of iron self. We don't want them to say that people come to confront people to fight. No. They're just asking a simple manner. I don't know. I never thought I'd live to this age to experience this thing in my old age now. Where you expect to get your house, move, and you can't say nothing because the authorities over you all the time. They over you. You work all the days of your life and you build something that you feel that you could admire now. All that just going like ice daily. See like how a block of ice just keep melting? This is how your mind keep going down. Ah boy, one day they will come and they will say, okay, you have to move. Sad. Like you have understanding, you know. Oh boy.